Now I'll show you how to create a discount code. So Shopify gives you opportunity to create two different discount codes. So discount code that someone will put a number, a code in the card, and it will they will qualify for a certain discount, and obviously automatic discounts that get applied automatically. So in this video, I'll show you how to create this kind of manual discount. So in the left-hand panel, go to discounts and click create discount code. And under discount code, you have to put what kind of code you would like customers to use. So let's say we want to use May discount code. We can say mail sale. So it can be as easy as that, May sale. Make sure that it definitely makes a difference if it's a caps lock or not. So decide which kind of style of letters you will be using. And now you can select whether it will be percentage off the order, if it will be fixed amount off, so for example $10 off or £10 off, if it will be free shipping offer or offer on selected products. So for example, if someone buys two items, they can get one free, or they can get some other product free. So this is really that gives you a plenty of opportunities to experiment. However, in this particular example, I'll show you how to create a very simple discount code. So let's say 10% off. So I selected percentage and put 10 as 10%, and then you can specify whether it applies to entire order, only specific collections, or only specific products. So if you want to limit it to only certain collections or certain products, you can specify it. However, I will leave it as 10% off entire order. Minimum requirements, you can select there is none, or there is certain purchase amount. So 10% off is only applied if someone spends, let's say, at least $50 in your store, or perhaps minimum quantity of certain items. So you can play with these kind of possibilities as well, and then specify whether everyone can get a discount, only if certain groups of customers. Obviously you would need to create the groups of customers first, only specific customers. So obviously you can search for those customers from your database. And now under usage limits, you can limit the number of times this discount code can be used in total. So for example, you can only want to generate 10 discounts, so only it can be used 10 times, or you can limit to be used only once per customer, but without limiting how many customers can use it. And now you can put a start and end date here. So if you want this discount to be only for certain limited time, like let's say only for the weekend, you can specify it here. And the end date, it will be obviously calculated in your time zone. And when you're happy with it, simply click Save Discount Code.